everyone, and welcome to another video. This is probably my most exciting video yet. Today I get to announce my brand new free digital planner. I'm going to give you a walkthrough and tutorial how to use it, and then stay tuned to the end where I share the password to access this planner. Before starting, make sure you have access to a PDF reader/editor. This can be on an iPad, tablet, Mac, or another computer. Today I'm using GoodNotes 5 on my iPad. Details about the iPad and what I'm using will be in the description. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. You're going to start by opening the file in your preferred app. I'm starting by changing the pen and size. I chose to write 2021, but you can write your name or whatever else. This is the intro page. You can access this video if you need reference for anything and any other of my social media links. The tabs on the side and the top are linked to the corresponding page. In order to access any of these links, you need to go to the top right and click the pen with a line through it. This will turn off editing mode. Now you can click whatever link you want. The index doubles as a yearly overview, and each calendar is also linked to the corresponding month. Here we have the monthly overview. Make sure you click edit mode so you can write just like a normal calendar. The box at the top can be for whatever you'd like: goals, quotes, reminders, notes, etc. Here I'm playing around with some stickers. I'm not going to go into too much detail here because I will be doing a dedicated video in the coming weeks when I release some stickers for you guys. But briefly, I'm adding in these to make it look like a post-it was taped in with some washi tape. The next page is a weekly spread. At the top you can use this for whatever you need, maybe a top 3 of the week, quotes, notes, next week, to do, etc. Each day is dotted so you can choose how you write what you need to remember. I'm also adding in some more stickers. A tip for GoodNotes: to undo something, you can press the back arrow, or you can double tap with 2 fingers or swipe to the left with 3 fingers. And to redo something, you can swipe to the right with 3 fingers. Each day also includes a water tracker. You can fill it in however you want. I included the hex codes for the colors used in this planner, but feel free to use whatever color you want. The last part of the weekly spread is the habit tracker. There's room to track 3 habits, and these can be changed weekly or whenever you want to try a new habit. A few ways to mark it off are check, line, X, fill it in, make a pattern, or add a sticker. Another way to maneuver through this planner is the page overviews in the top left. There are 4 little boxes, and when you click that, it'll give you an overview of all the pages. The last section to this planner is a monthly photo. One of my best friends who also does bullet journaling suggested that I include this page. Each month you add a photo of something you enjoyed. Same as the stickers, just drag and drop it from the Photos app. And you can also add a caption, a date, or stickers, or whatever you'd like. So now that you know how to use it, you need to know where to find it. Start by going to torysherrill.ca. It will also be linked in the description. There will be a tab here that says Free Digital Planner. Click that. It will bring you to the main page. Now press click here to access the planner. Since it is password protected, it will ask you to enter this password, so that's when you will enter TSPlanner2021 in all caps. Once entered, you're in. Press click here to download the planner and you're all set. If you're on a laptop, it'll show up in Downloads, and if you're on an iPad, you can open it right in GoodNotes or your preferred app. So that's it for now. I really hope you enjoy this, and I will be releasing pages and stickers throughout the year for you to add to your planner, so don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another video. Bye.